hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound?
Hi, man.
Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution.
Go.
Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this highlight video. I won my quarterfinal match via stoppage in the second round, went on to the semifinals and lost on points. But overall, I can't be upset of the outcome at all. I've gained so much from this trip. Just starting off with just the prep leading up to it was completely different than any other tournament I've prepped for before. The fact of just going to Colorado for the first time, being able to compete there in the high altitude, and then just being able to compete at a high level event with some of the top people in the US as well. Just so much experience just gained from this trip. So just really looking forward to just getting back into my routine and just keep getting on the grind and competing some more tournaments this year. Also, big shout out to 2020 Armor again. They really helped out a lot. They sponsored part of this trip. So if you guys want to check out their stuff, I'm going to link them in the description box down below. Big thank you to 2020 Armor for helping out for this trip. And then also, most importantly, big shout out to Grandmaster Chung for all of the continued support in my training, my coaching, and just being able to just help me pursue a higher level of competition. Really looking forward to just getting back on the grind and going to be competing in quite a few tournaments from now until the end of the year. So hopefully you all are looking forward to following me along on that. Thank you guys for all the continued support on social media. It is very appreciated. Right now, I'm just going to slowly get back into the groove, get back in my regular routine over the next couple weeks, and then prep for some tournaments this summer. So really looking forward to just getting back in the swing of things, getting back in the swing of competition as well. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.